Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both devices, charge them, and connect to the same Wi-Fi so transfers run reliably. Open Settings and go straight to System Cloner on the source phone. This is where you create the image. Tap Create Clone and grant storage and contacts permissions when prompted, because the tool needs access to read apps and data. Once done, the phone packages your apps and settings. Make sure background apps are closed to avoid file conflicts during the initial build. You now pair the target phone. Use the QR code or numerical code shown on the source to establish a secure link. Next, choose precisely what to copy: apps, accounts, photos, and system settings, because selective cloning saves time and space. Start the transfer and watch the progress indicator. Keep both screens unlocked and avoid interrupting Wi-Fi. While copying, the cloner may reformat some app data to match the target OS. This ensures compatibility, which is why waiting patiently matters. You finish by verifying that apps, accounts, and media arrived intact. Open key apps and sign in where needed. If an app refuses to launch, restart the target phone, and the problem often resolves because permissions reset on boot. If the transfer failed midway, retry over a stable Wi-Fi or switch to a wired connection with a compatible cable. This reduces packet loss and speeds up large transfers. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache on the Source Cloner app and repeat the transfer if errors persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.